Welcome to our channel. Welcome to day 4 of 100 Canva techniques in 100 days. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to resize Canva designs for different platforms. Open Canva. Resize Canva designs for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and more. Open Design. Go to Resize button. Go to Custom Size. Take width 1280 pixel. Take height 1280 pixel. Then click on Square Shape. Go to Save. Click on Resize Design. Then take elements with mouse pointer of your choice. Comment, Day 4 done. If you resized your first Canva design,